In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable secure connections on Google Chrome. Turning this on tells Chrome to use HTTPS, the encrypted, padlock version of the web, whenever it's available. That means your logins, banking details, and personal information are scrambled in transit and much harder for snoops to intercept, especially on shared networks like coffee shop Wi-Fi. Here's how to switch it on. With Chrome open, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security and then click Security. On the Security page, scroll until you see the section labeled Secure Connections. Toggle on the option called Always Use Secure Connections. That's it. From now on, Chrome will automatically try the secure version of a site first, and it will warn you before opening an unsafe HTTP page. If a site doesn't support HTTPS, you'll see a clear warning so you can decide whether to back out and stay safe. If you want to jump straight to the right spot, there's a quicker shortcut. Click the address bar, type chrome/settings/security and press enter. This takes you directly to the security settings page where you can turn on Always Use Secure Connections under the Secure Connections section without digging through the menus. So what exactly does this feature do behind the scenes? Whenever you visit a link that starts with HTTP, Chrome quietly upgrades it to HTTPS if the site supports it. If it can't upgrade the connection, Chrome lets you know before proceeding. These warnings help protect you against eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attacks, where a malicious network or device could read or even alter what you see. On public Wi-Fi, that extra protection is especially important. Enabling this won't slow you down. Modern HTTPS is optimized and often just as fast or faster than old-style HTTP. It also doesn't change your bookmarks or erase anything. It simply asks for the secure version first and gives you clear signals when a site isn't safe to use. If a trusted site you rely on still doesn't support HTTPS and fails to load securely, consider looking for an updated link or an alternative source and avoid entering passwords or payment details on pages marked not secure. To recap, open Chrome's menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Security, and switch on Always Use Secure Connections, or type Chrome or Settings Security to go straight there. With that, Chrome will try HTTPS first and warn you before you land on an insecure page.